Hello everyone. Wow, I look a hot mess, but it is really late and it's a Sunday night, and you know what, I've been inspired today to create a Zumba routine. I haven't created one in a while. I think I might have told you guys that I'm a certified Zumba instructor, but I don't teach my own class yet. My schedule is so crazy. But anyway, with that being said, I still do create routines and I do perform them in other instructors' classes. And then also I teach at my office. Whenever we have time, I do teach a class at my office gym. So what I wanted to do today is I was kind of listening to Pandora, and there was a really fun song that popped up. So this is the song. And when she see me, she says she no good. Boy, would you give me some, give me some more? Shorty give me this, she call me red and sleeping with a girl next door. Banana pam pam, banana pam 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 pam, banana pam pam banana pam pam banana pam pam. So that's the song I'm kind of using for inspiration today, and I wanted to share with you sort of my creative process. We'll see if I have enough energy to do this tonight, but there was a way that I was taught how to do this. I was taught to kind of listen to the song first, see what moves pop into my head, see what inspires me, then also to jot down, actually write what the music sounds like to you, so that you can kind of place dance movements to what those dance moves look like on paper. When I first started, I wrote them all down. This first one here is Can't Stop the Feeling by Justin Timberlake, and this is that boom ch, 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 boom ch, 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 boom ch, 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 boom ch, ch. Can't stop the feeling inside my home. It grows electric wavy when you turn it on. How do my feeling out through my home? I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, got that steady rocking, ooh, whatever the words are, right? That's what it looks like. That's what, when I listen to the song, that's what it looks like. And then I have others. This one is Booty Work by T-Pain, Don't Mind by Kent Jones, Boys by m.i.a. But anyway, after a while, once I got the hang of it, I actually stopped writing it out and just kind of doing what moved me. So today I'm going to bring you along for part of the creative process. I'm going to try to set this up in a way in my, maybe we'll do this in my foyer, because I do have a mirror there, and then you can see everything that I'm doing. But it's a lot of repetition. It's kind of like seeing what fits. Normally I actually just do these in my head, the whole thing, and then when I'm ready to roll, I'm ready to roll. I just turn the music on and go. Other times the songs are a bit more complicated and I do practice them, but sometimes they get debuted right in front of the class. The first time I'm doing them from my head onto like the floor is right there in front of the class. So sometimes it's a flop, sometimes it's not. So let's go ahead and get into it. So when I listen to this song, it sounds pretty sensual. Makes you want to whine your hips, right? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna whine a lot. So let's get this started, and I'm just gonna do what comes naturally, and then we'll see what happens out. Shorty gave me this, she call me red and sleeping with a girl next door. And when she see me, she says she no good. Boy, would you give me some, give me some more? Shorty gave me this, she call me red and sleeping with a girl next door. And when she came, she says she no good. Boy, would you give me some, give me some? Shorty wanna rock, shorty wanna put. Shorty said, give me back shots. Shorty wanna rock, shorty wanna rock. Give me back a yeah. This girl that gives me dun dun, because I like a picky bum bum. This girl that gives me dun dun, she says she wanna give me some. This girl, they never trouble no one, cause if you trouble this girl. Alright, so the music changed a bit there. So that means I need to figure out what I'm gonna do differently. So typically how I do this, I'll start the whole song over, and as you can see, I didn't quite have it perfectly. I kind of improvised. So try it one more time, and I can't believe how hot I am right now, but try it one more time, and then gotta think about what I'm gonna do for this little part right here. I think I got it, but let's do it one more time. All right, that time around did something completely different. Let's do it again. And when she see me, she says she no go, man. Boy, would you give me some? They never trouble no one. Cause if you trouble this girl, Bobby. Shorty gave me this, she call me red and this, sleeping with the girl next door. All right, we're gonna do this all over again to see if I can remember what I said I would try. My mind went blank. All right, let's do it again. And when she see me, she says she no go, man. Boy, would you give me some? All right, I am exhausted, but you've seen the creative process. You kind of see what it takes to make a song. For me, typically it takes about, if I am practicing with the song, about 5 times to go through. Otherwise, I just make it up in my head and I fumble through it the way you see. It's usually not that bad because I run it through my mind so many times. This is fresh. I hadn't even heard the song all the way through once. For when it's fresh this way, I just kind of make a routine like this. And I fumble through it about 5 times or so, and then I come up with something, and then I'm ready to perform it or teach it. Sorry, I'm ready to teach it to my class. So anyway, you saw what the creative process looks like. Do you think you could do it? Do you think this is something you'd enjoy trying in your spare time? I really enjoy dancing, period. So doing this is not a chore for me. I really, really enjoy it. So. And then getting to teach it to other people is even more fun for me. So it is not a chore at all. So I just wanted to take some time and walk you through one of my passions, something that I love to do. See what you think about it. See if it's something that you'd probably dabble in or be interested in dabbling in. If you're interested in seeing the entire routine, let me know. Give me a thumbs up or make a comment below. If you haven't already, you know what I'm gonna ask. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends, leave a comment, hit the like button, all those good things. But if you want to see the whole routine, let me know. I could probably post it here or I'll put it on Instagram. You let me know. All right. Bye guys. Thanks for joining.